Your next question is, the largest mammal in the world is the? Your options are A, blue whale, B, elephant, C, giraffe. Your correct answer is option A, blue whale. Your next question is, the longest river in the world is the what? Your options are A, Amazon, B, Nile, C, Yangtze. Your correct answer is option B, Nile. Your next question is, the smallest planet in our solar system is? Your options are A, Mercury, B, Pluto, C, Mars. Your correct answer is option A, Mercury. Your next question is, the fastest bird in the world is the falcon. Your options are A, peregrine, B, bald, C, snowy. Your correct answer is option A, peregrine. Your next question is, the device used to measure temperature is a question mark. Your options are A, thermometer, B, barometer, C, altimeter. Your correct answer is option A, thermometer. Your next question is, the number of days in a leap year is blank. Your options are A, 365, B, 366, C, 364. Option B, 366. Your next question is, the first element on the periodic table is? Your options are A, helium, B, hydrogen, C, oxygen. Your correct answer is option B, hydrogen. Your next question is, the famous painting Mona Lisa was created by? Your options are A, Vincent van Gogh, B, Pablo Picasso, C, Leonardo da Vinci. Your correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Your next question is, the tallest mountain in the world is Mount Sh. Your options are A, Kilimanjaro, B, Everest, C, Fuji. Your correct answer is option B, Everest. Your next question is, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Your options are A, 100, B, 90, C, 80. Your correct answer is option A, 100. Your next question is, the largest land carnivore is the what? Your options are A, polar bear, B, lion, C, tiger. Your correct answer is option A, polar bear. Your next question is, the insect known for producing honey is the? Your options are A, wasp, B, butterfly, C, bee. Your correct answer is option C, B. Your next question is, the national sport of Canada is what? Your options are A, hockey, B, baseball, C, football. Your correct answer is option A, hockey. Your next question is, the organ that helps us to breathe is the... Your options are A, heart, B, lung, C, kidney. Your correct answer is option B, lung. Your next question is, the bird known for mimicking sounds is the what? Your options are A, owl, B, parrot, C, crow. Your correct answer is option B, parrot. Your next question is, the fastest aquatic animal is the ... Your options are A, sailfish, B, dolphin, C, shark. Your correct answer is option A, sailfish ... Your next question is, which is the nearest star to Earth? Your options are A, Alpha Centauri, B, Sirius, C, Sun. Your correct answer is option C, Sun. Your next question is, the Earth revolves around the blank. Your options are A, Moon, B, Sun, C, Mars. Your correct answer is option B, Sun. Your next question is, the largest desert in the world is the... Your options are A, Gobi, B, Sahara, C, Antarctic. Your correct answer is option C, Antarctic. Your next question is, sound travels fastest through what? Your options are A, air, B, water, C, solid. Your correct answer is option C, solid. Your next question is, the first president of the United States was... Your options are A, Abraham Lincoln, B, George Washington, C, John Adams. Your correct answer is option B, George Washington. Your next question is, the animal known as the ship of the desert is the vessel. Your options are A, donkey, B, camel, C, horse. Your correct answer is option B, camel. Your next question is, the famous scientist who formulated the laws of motion was Newton. Your options are A, Newton, B, Einstein, Galileo. Your correct answer is option A, Newton. Your next question is, the primary source of energy for Earth is the... Your options are A, moon, B, sun, C, stars. Your correct answer is option B, sun.
Your next question is, the invention that made printed books possible was the press. Your options are A, typewriter, B, printing, C, copying. Your correct answer is option B, printing.